I'm telling you now, do not miss this train, bro. I just feel like I broke the code with this Forex shit, bro. Like, there's success available for everybody, bro. The main reason a lot of traders get fucked in the market is because you're trading what you think should happen or what you expect should happen from the market. Some things you can't put it in a course. You have to learn things through experience. You know what I mean? Called the trade 1249. GJ sells. About 30 minutes later, TP1 smashed. TP2 smashed. And then TP3 smashed. I'm always practice what I preach, right? I know I'm the best trader on YouTube, gang. Sometimes the best version of yourself be when you're like on the come up, bro. I would have fucking killed for an opportunity like this, bro. It won't matter how long it took, right? It won't matter how long it took. You'll just be glad that you fucking started, bro. Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's blessed. Hope everybody's doing all right. Listen, bro, one thing about me, gang, I'm always practice what I preach, right? If y'all watched the last video, you'll notice the title is how I catch 75 pips per trade, man. Not only like am I catching it, but I'm showing people, right? See, this year I'm gonna just put it in your face. Like I said, I'm not here to compare. I know I'm the best trader on YouTube, gang. It's very simple. We keep trading very simple over here. I just feel like I broke the code with this Forex shit, bro. This strategy is literally a cheat code. And I hope everyone's really taking advantage, bro. Like, you have an opportunity to join my community for free, so I don't see why wouldn't you. You know what I'm saying? I remember when I first started trading, I would have fucking killed for an opportunity like this, bro. To just be in a group with like-minded people. It ain't always just about the signals. Like, sometimes it's like the community aspect of it, just being around like-minded people and you know, understanding like there's success available for everybody, bro. There's room for everybody. There's money for everybody. So it's just about positioning yourself. I say that shit in every video, bro. Like, you have to position yourself to win. It's not just gonna come flying out of thin air. And you know, even myself, bro, I'm not even gonna lie to you, like, it's been times I've gotten comfortable. Sometimes I wish I could pick up more books and shit. There was a point in time where I was broke. You know, we've all been there. You know what I'm saying? That's nothing special. Just about being your best self. And I know even me, like, sometimes, bro, I do get comfortable and shit. I definitely get comfortable. This may sound crazy as fuck, but I feel like I could take a break on all that shit because I've gotten so good at trading. Like, when I was like suffering on the fucking charts, bro, like, it's crazy. I felt like that was the best version of me. Isn't that nuts? Like, sometimes the best version of yourself be when you're like on the come up, bro. That's why they say like the journey sometimes is better than the fucking destination. Like, everybody want the Lambo or the fucking, you know, the houses and shit like that, which is cool. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this shit is amazing. I love, like, I don't know anyone in my age group, like, personally, like my friends or anything, that own a house or, you know, any of that shit, which doesn't matter. Like, to each their own, right? Everyone's running their own race, but yeah, it's the journey, bro. The journey is like, that's what matters. And I've been preaching that in my community too, bro. Like, they thank me all the time and shit. Like, you know, sometimes I'll give them help. Sometimes people don't realize, you know, some of the things they're doing wrong or whatever, and you know, I'll give my insight, and they'll tell me like, you know, thank you, blah, blah, blah. Like, I'm just like, it's a journey, bro. Because even though I just gave you some great advice that's probably gonna help you, like, it's not the end of the road. You know what I'm saying? It's not the end of the road. You still gonna have obstacles you gotta overcome. Some things you can't put it in a course. You have to learn things through experience. You know what I mean? the journey, bro. The journey is what makes it great. I feel like my journey took a lot longer because I did it alone. And like I said, I wish I would have had a fucking opportunity to be a part of like-minded individuals. And the thing is, I'm gonna wrap this up because I feel like I'm out here yapping when I'm supposed to be showing y'all trades, right? But when you start, bro, when you start, listen to this message. When you start, when you get to where you're trying to go, it won't matter how long it took, right? It won't matter how long it took. You'll just be glad that you fucking started, bro. So start, right? Now let me reiterate. You can join my community for free. All you have to do is go and click in the link in the description. I'll have the pinned comment as well. Sign up for Liquid Brokers, right? That's the broker that I use. It's regulated. I've been using this broker for over a year now, almost 2 years. And then DM me on Instagram and you'll be good to go. It's that simple. You know what I'm saying? Liquid also offers MetaTrader 5, which is a big thing. A lot of people overseas, in order to use my broker, they couldn't use MetaTrader 5 last year, but you know, we're innovating, we're getting greater. So now MetaTrader 5 is available for all non-US clients. So make sure y'all take advantage of that, man. But anyways, let's move on. All right, so now that we've gotten through our yap session, we'll go ahead and get started with the what you're really here for, the trading content, right? So basically what I'm gonna do first is, and y'all comment below, like, please, if you haven't commented on any other video, do this one favor for me. Y'all let me know if you like the whole me putting my analysis video into this video and then breaking down the trade, or if y'all prefer me to just get straight to the bread and butter, like the whole trade, and just break that shit down. Kind of how I've been doing this entire time throughout, you know, all my videos. So like I said, please leave me a comment. Like, that's all I ask. You don't have to like, subscribe, nothing. Just leave me a comment. Let me know if y'all like me showing the analysis and then me breaking down the trade, or if you would rather me just break down the trade. All right, so basically just, you know, I want to show y'all real quick. Hopefully I'm zoomed in enough. I just want to show y'all real quick, you know, so there's no fluff or no shit like that. Before I show y'all the analysis, right? Caught the trade 12:49. GJ sells. About 30 minutes later, TP1 smashed, TP2 smashed, and then TP3 smashed. No drawdown whatsoever. Even if you would have put your stop loss to break even, you would have been good to go, right? Full sweep. So that was the trade that we fucking killed last night. 75 pips. Like I said, none of that bullshit, none of that 10 pip TPs, 12 pip TP shit, right? And then also, not to put nobody's business out, right? This don't show, I'm not gonna show the names or nothing, but like I said, community-wise, bro, community-wise, y'all need to join, bro. Like, people asking me about their trades. Can I share my 25 trades with you so far? Yes. You know, that's me on the right. Yes, share it. You know, I'm giving him advice, like, boom. You know what I'm saying? Another one here. Bro asked me a question about the signal I caught, right? Gave him a full fucking paragraph, like, you know what I'm saying? You know, and I'm telling him some real shit. So I'm telling you now, do not miss this train, bro. Like, I could be charging for all of this shit, gang. I could be charging, but I don't, because I don't need to. You feel me? Your favorite trader needs to, I don't need to. But anyways, I'm about to drop the analysis now, right? And then we'll get back to it. Basically, what we're doing right now is we broke through this key level, as you can see, retested. Now we're kind of going down, right? So we have a few plays here. And ultimately, if we can continue to respect this and keep going down, I expect us to ultimately break this level right here. And then, 1 second, this would be the ultimate, target area, because I could zoom out, but this is a major key area, right? So basically what we have is this, right? So, as of now, right, we have kind of like a high probability, low probability, and just kind of moderate. So obviously, highest probability would be for the price to come back up here to this resistance and then drop again, right? Other than that, it will become invalid if we start trading above it. So that's probably our highest probability, right? Now, a little lower probability, which is what I'm kind of looking at right now, is obviously this trade right here, and then kind of riding it down to the bottom. Pause. Hold on, let me see something. We got this. Oh fuck, wrong tool. Yeah, so obviously we got a golden zone right here. So this is obviously what I'm looking for to take sales, right? So let me delete this fib. And then probably the lowest probability would be just this right here, which would be 195.5. And the reason I say it's the lowest is just because like there's so much room for it to retrace, right? As y'all seen from that fib. So, and then the first little target that we need to break is literally right there, only 25 pips away. So, yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. Hopefully tonight it gives us that fucking, trade so I can actually call a fucking signal. And take a trade, because I haven't taken any trades yet, gang. So, yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. As far as higher time frame, let's see. Yeah, I mean, target is 194. Obviously, like I said earlier, we broke this little trend to the upside. So, just gonna take advantage of sales for now. So you got, let's see. You got one lowest, a little bit higher, which is where I want to get in. And then highest probability up here, right? So keep that in mind as the night goes on, right? Everyone's welcome to do what they want to do, but like I said, y'all see where I'm getting in at, and the reason why. So, yeah, any questions, just drop them in the chat, and I will get back to you. All right, so y'all have a good night. Peace. All right, so that was the analysis. Now I'm going to go ahead and break down the trade that we took. All right, so hopefully y'all got some gems from that analysis. I think that's really the importance of showing you the analysis so that you know on a full scale of what's going on, rather than just me breaking down the trade that we actually won, right? Because the trade that we took wasn't the initial trade that we wanted, right? As y'all saw. So, like I said, now we're gonna go ahead and break down the trade. So y'all let me know if y'all like this whole concept, right? Or if y'all rather me just break down the trades. All right, so boom, I'll see you on the charts. All right, gang, so now we're just gonna break down the trade that we actually took. Okay, so starting off, obviously, let me go back. Obviously, based off these three lines, this was initially where I wanted to get in, right? And obviously, price continued down, right? Now, before, you'll notice that I said we needed to break this area, right, in order to reach down here, right? So basically, all this was just break and retest, right? However, I kind of suspected that price wasn't gonna come all the way back up here, right? And if it did, right? If it did, then our stop loss would be very valid. Because if it hit stops, then it would have broke back above this area. So that's the importance of these QPs. And honestly, we also had this major QP right here of 195, right? So the major QPs hold a tad bit stronger than, the other QPs. So although this was our previous support now turned resistance, I kind of trusted the QPs a little bit more because obviously that's what I'm all about, right? So that's your first confluence for this trade, right? We kind of got a break and retest of this QP and possibly this previous support. Also, if I draw a fib from this drop right here, what do you see? What do you see? What do you see? What is this area right here? Golden zone, right? So basically, nice little golden zone, right? So you got one confluence, break and retest. You got the golden zone confluence. Telling you, they don't teach you how to use fibs how I do, right? So that's two confluences. Third confluence, we're trading under the 200 MA. And we're trading far away from the 200, right? Meaning there's a lot of volume. So that's three. Fourth confluence, I don't know if I mentioned, but major QP, right? So anyways, very, very textbook trade. Very textbook trade. Let's see. So we took the entry here. Honestly, I saw it retest here, right? I saw this retest, but I kind of wanted to give it a chance to show me like, okay, is it gonna come up here? First of all, second, is it gonna start trading above? Because I had a student ask me this. This yellow zone here is a major support, right? And I'm gonna break down why. He asked me like, shouldn't we be buying here? This is a major support. Why are you calling sells, right? And I basically had to preach to him like, the main. This is just a little tip, real quick. The main reason a lot of traders get fucked in the market is because you're trading what you think should happen or what you expect should happen from the market, right? So yes, being this is a major support, right? And obviously the rules are to buy at support, sell at resistance, but we are on a lower time frame, right? We're on a lower time frame, meaning trade what you see happening. On a lower time frame, this is what's happening. Anyone can see this as clear as day. The market is going down, right? On a higher time frame, yes, this is a major support. However, being that we're lower time frame traders, it could sit here for hours before it starts to, respect the support, right? Which it honestly looks like that's what's about to happen now. So depending on what happens going forward, later tonight could be potential buys, right? So that's just a little gem right there. So basically Trade what you see happening. Do not trade what you think should happen. Obviously, we're at support. I'm sure some people took buys. Hell, if you took buys right here, if you took buys right there, then obviously, right, you were good to go. But obviously, the sellers won because majority of the volume is for sellers. So, but anyways, I'm not going to take too much time on that. Very, very textbook trade, very simple trade. Like I said, my strategy is super simple, bro. Super easy. All that extra bullshit that they try to teach it's unnecessary, bro. My main goal has always been to get in the markets, see something, take the trade, leave, win or lose. Right? I don't need to do all the extra marking up, do all the 20 indicators and all these concepts and no, nigga, three, 4 confluences. What way is it trending? QPs, we're good to go. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyways, guys, if y'all enjoyed that video, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you would like to join my community for absolutely free, right? For the year of 2025, I don't know how much longer it's going to be free. All you have to do is go click the link in my bio, or I'll have the comment pinned. Click the link to the broker, sign up, right? DM me on Instagram at xxChrisJ. Let me know you signed up and you can get in my community, get access to me for absolutely free. All you have to do is just take a couple steps. A few steps could be the reason you become a fucking 6-figure trader this year. It's happened before, right? I've made a few people a lot of money, right? So make sure you do that. I care about your success, hopefully not more than you do. All right? So with that being said, hopefully y'all enjoy. I'm out. Peace.